Welcome to another adventure. Today we're visiting the garden at 120, a peaceful rooftop garden at 120 Fenchurch Street. It's free to visit and offers a brilliant view over London. After a quick security check, take the lift to the 15th floor. In seconds you'll be surrounded by greenery and open air above the city. To the west, you can spot St. Paul's Cathedral, one of London's most recognisable landmarks, with its magnificent dome rising above the skyline. Just below it, the elegant Millennium Bridge stretches across the River Thames, connecting the city with the Tate Modern. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the blend of London's old and new historic architecture framed by the modern glass towers that surround it. This rooftop space opened in 2019 as a publicly accessible garden, a place to pause, take photos and enjoy the air above the bustle. The building at 120 Fenchurch Street was designed by Eric Parry Architects, with the rooftop created as a free public realm space for everyone to enjoy. To the east, the modern skyline of the city unfolds, with distinctive towers shaping London's horizon. On a clear day you can see as far as Canary Wharf. Weekdays in the morning or late afternoon are usually quieter. Be considerate of other visitors when filming or using a tripod. Thanks for watching The Garden at 120. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next journey, another adventure, another story.